30th of March 2025.
Asuintasiko yhtiö Hämeenliitto?
Yes, it is Kasarmikatu once they say here in Hämeenlinna, modernized. Kone Hämeenlinna was found in Finland, built in 1956, modernized in 1994. The number says 6360. 6 was here. Kone have pictures. Rest is 4 person 30 person.
These feedbacki väisketään, että me eteenpäin Kone.
I like the sound of smell here.
Same.
I guess the beginning of 1994, because that's those earlier type of font here.
Yeah.
Although these are the more modern here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
That's